Okay, today we're gonna clean the floors here in the bathroom, the master bathroom. As you can see, there's a lot of buildup right here. And what we'll do is we'll pre-spray this, scrub it, and we'll do the extraction. Okay, so as you can see, there's a huge difference between the left and right side over here. We're gonna do the rest of it right now. Okay, so we're all done here. Everything looks so much better. You can see a huge difference between what it looked before and what it looks now. If you need your tiles clean, call us at 832-883-6744 or visit our website at quickmixcleaning.com.